What up, you guys? It's Nigel back at the ValleyBiz compound with another how-to. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to do a half cab bar. If you guys like the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below for other tricks you guys would like us to teach you. Let's get started. So there's 4 key elements to this trick you wanna know how to do before trying a cab bar. You're gonna wanna know how to 180. You're gonna wanna know how to fakie. You're gonna wanna know how to half cab and bar spin. So step 1 of this trick, the 180. You can do this either going moderately fast or slow. I learned it going kind of slow. To each their own, whatever you're comfortable with. But the first step, when you 180, boom, 180. When you land, you're gonna wanna land with your weight distributed over your seat, steering your front tire. The fakie is the most crucial part of this trick. When you're faking and you feel you're in the right body positioning, start your half cab, whatever way you roll out, left or right. If you roll out to the left, you're gonna give your bars a slight turn to the right to begin your carve. If you roll out to the right, you're gonna give your bars a slight turn to the left to start your carve. I spin out to the left, so I'm rolling backwards. Give myself a slight carve, make sure my weight is distributed over my seat, steering on my front tire. Right off the first initial carve, pop, right about 90, throw the bars, and I promise you'll go around, you'll land fine. Make sure you just catch the bars. This has been howto 180 half cab bar with Nigel here at the ValleyBiz compound, 1312, Modesto, California, Kansas Avenue, Suite G. If you guys like this, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below if you guys want to have us teach you more stuff, because we like doing it.